Hello friends, it's been 2 weeks since I washed my hair last. I want to wash my 2-strand twist before I switch to crochet braids. If you are new here, welcome. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video. I will really appreciate it. Because I'm still on no chemical challenge on my natural hair, I will start by spraying my hair with a combination of water and apple cider vinegar first to remove product buildup and balance my hair pH. If you watch my other video, you will know that I have a fear of this combo getting into my eyes. I spray this combo on my hair and make sure I touch every strand, and I start to work the product into my hair, starting from my scalp to the strands of my hair. After I'm done working into my hair, I went ahead to rinse my hair, and I have to thoroughly rinse this out because of the smell. I do not like the smell lingering around me at all. After I'm done rinsing the apple cider vinegar out of my hair, next I am going to be applying my DIY conditioner. If you're interested in this conditioner, you can click above. I'm going to link it right there, and it's going to be on the description box below. It's the same conditioner. The only difference is half a cup of organic aloe vera gel just to make it liquidy so it can go into every strand of my hair. One advice to you though, if you're going to do this, is please use applicator bottle, because I was struggling in applying this, but by the time I was doing it, it was too late. I could not go get me an applicator bottle, which is okay. I was able to work it in and make sure I touch every strand of my hair. I like it. You can't really see what it's doing, but my hair do feel good. There's no slippery to it. I did make sure I work it into my hair, and then I pack it up and let it stay on my hair for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I rinsed it off, and I did make sure this part, it's really very important that I really rinse everything out of my hair, because I do not want to have any kind of food left over in between my twist. So I was under the water. This is the part that I really enjoy the most when washing my hair. It's actually being able to stay under the water. I did went ahead and squeeze the water out. I did not apply cream on it at all because of the fact that my hair is twisted. I need the oil to be able to go inside my hair as much as possible, because I need to be able to trap the moisture into my hair. And when my hair is dry, I am going to be applying the crochet braid. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. I hope you enjoy and get something out of this video. See you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.